So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files in your Google Drive. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Google Drive in your phone and go to the three lines you can see in the top left corner. Go to the trashed option. Here you can see various files that I have deleted. Remember, you will be able to only recover the files which you have deleted within 30 days. If the file you have deleted have been more than 30 days, you won't be able to recover it. So to recover it, simply long press it and go to the three dots. Here you can see the option of restore. Click on the restore and here you can see the file has been restored. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.